and welcome to Let's Make a Cocktail with me, Risque Ginger. For today's episode, I'll be doing a little twist on your classic margarita. For this cocktail, I've made fresh dragon fruit juice from dragon fruits that I've blended and filtered so that it's nice and smooth to drink. I just am like unbelievably obsessed with the color of this juice. It's the most insane pink, and I've just been excited to make any kind of cocktail that I possibly can with it. But we're gonna keep it really simple today and just go for a twist on the margarita. For this recipe, all you're gonna need is tequila. I'm using a Luna Azul Blanco. Blanco tequila is preferred. And some sort of orange liqueur, lime juice, and a dragon fruit juice. Sugar for the rim. I like a sugar rim because just everything is sweet. I'm not one of those bartenders that's like, sugar is the worst. I'm just like, let's add more sugar because it's so nice. And for our garnish, I've chosen a blood orange. To start, take your shaker tins. We're gonna start with our cheapest ingredients first by using half an ounce of lime juice. And half an ounce of agave syrup. That's just agave of 1/3 part mixed with 2/3 part of water. It's easier to pour and not as sweet. And then we're gonna do 0.75 of an ounce of this beautiful, beautiful pink juice. Have you guys ever had dragon fruit? I know sometimes it can come out more white with speckles. This one is a really gorgeous pink type. And we're gonna do half an ounce of orange liqueur. And to finish with our most expensive ingredient, I have tequila. Tequila is actually, I know everyone's like, tequila is my drink that I stay away from because that's the drink I like partied a lot with or something. Mine is actually rum. In my first year of college, before I dropped out, my first 2 months of college before I dropped out, rum, Bacardi rum was my thing. We were trying like all the different flavors and that was a little bit challenging. So now cheap rum, I have a hard time with it. I'm getting better at drinking rum as I try different types. Okay, anyway, but tequila, I've always liked tequila. It's just fun and tasty, especially the better types you get. I had Casamigos tequila recently. It's not bad at all. Okay, and then add some ice to your shaker tin. Giving me this pat in the butt. Get on. Perfect shot. Okay, and then shut her down. Okay, so you should really have a nice solid table when hitting your tins. This is the first time we've used this setup. Let's shake. Crack her open. And we're going to double strain into an old-fashioned glass. It's so pretty! Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Every last drop is prettier than the last. Have you ever seen a drink so pretty? How does this color even exist in the natural world? I don't understand. Okay. So now we have our margarita, second to last step, I suppose. So we're going to add ice. Take an orange slice, dip it in sugar. And then place it on the rim. And do you have the dragon fruit margarita? Oh my god. not too sweet. It's pretty, and it's really fresh with the lime juice and fresh juice, fresh dragon fruit juice, good tequila. Highly recommend making this at home. We got the dragon fruit actually frozen from Costco, so seems like a good way to go. Okay, thanks for hanging out today. I'll see you guys for our next episode. Write down in the comments if you have like certain drinks you want me to make. If you have a cool idea, you're like, girl, try this drink. Yes, I will. Soon we're gonna be doing an absinthe tasting, so stay tuned. Bye.